Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss what pivot transformation in SQL Server Integration Services (SSIS). So this is the video lecture 23 of this SSIS classes. So let's see about the pivot transformation. So first I'm going to show you the table that I'm going to use. So here country table that I'm going to use, and this is the record inside this country. So let's perform the pivot transformation. So first we are going to create one new package. So SSI package, right click there, new package. Or then or this place you need to give the first meaningful name of this package. So giving the name pivot transformation. So pivot transformation is there. After that, the next is first let's take the data flow task. Then data flow task here we need to use their source. So this here source, let's use edu.net. Click there, then new, and already have the connection. Click on this OK, and here you can see review country. So let's go on this preview data. So this preview, and thereafter you can see the columns there, and after that click on OK. The next is after doing this one, let's use their pivot transformation. So pivot, and let's drag the link. Double click there. Then this place you need to give the pivot key. So selecting there year and S key, that's going to select the country and pivot value. So that's going to give you a profit. And there, since you can see on this source year, that's is in rows, and this making on this column, and here 2002 2003 is there. So let's give this place the value 2002, and the next is 2003. Since or two values are there, so that giving, and now click on this generate column or 2002 2003, and after that click on OK. So this tools added, and after that click on this OK. So there is no any problem with the pivot, and thereafter to get the data, so let's use the multicast or transformation. Multicast, and stabilize the link and save that. Let's double click there, then data viewer, enable the data viewer, and after that save that. Click on this start task, and now you can see that rows that change to column 2002 2003, that's come there, and 1 second. So this is the input record. Here you can see this country and year 2002. So on this 2002 profit is, here you can see 2002 1795778 or this value, and 2002 78996, this is the profit. 2003 78907 3 78998 389774, this is the profit, and the country is this USA India browser. Okay, so this is the most simplest way we can here or do pivot operation inside SSIS. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.